foreign exchange market is the global marketplace where currencies are traded. Prices are determined by supply and demand, which is influenced by global governments, banks, corporations, investors, speculators, and news events. A forex trader will buy a currency pair if they expect its exchange rate will rise in the future, and sell a currency pair if they expect its exchange rate will fall in the future. For every buyer, there must be a seller, and this is what determines the price. Whether this is a bank dealing in the interbank market or a holiday maker purchasing their travel money from a bureau de change.